want to talk about another Tytan product today. It's a subfloor adhesive. So the gist behind this is this can is supposed to replace 10 to 12 tubes of regular adhesive. So with that, just saving you money over time, right? And I've made videos about just their spray foam or foam in a can. And, you know, I know for a fact that that does yield better than any other brand. We've done tests and I'm super happy with that product. So that one I'll continue to use and it'll save me money down the road. And it's a superior product. So check that out if you don't know anything about that. And like I said, this, we're trying it for the first time. If we like it, if in 2 weeks we feel like it's doing just as good a job as adhesive, we'll go to our next job, which is 2,100 square feet, and we'll use it on there. So here's our test, and let's just see how it goes. Cool, that's about it. Lay your sheet down, Bob your uncle. Set it quick. We finished up that small addition and landing and we were using the Tytan spray foam adhesive. Then we decided we liked it. We're using it on this project here. So this is 2,150 square feet of, it's an ICF home. And when I started doing a little more looking into this product, it actually makes a lot more sense. You have a metal can, you have something that if you accidentally leave it in the rain, you leave it outside overnight, you don't have a case full of caulking that goes bad. You know how the tubes, you get moisture on them, they'll explode out the side, wreck your gun, that sort of thing. And as the guys went through it today, we're averaging about 12 sheets of plywood. So, and that's 4x8 sheets to 1 can of this product. So that goes further. The other thing is we got the 3-foot wand, how easy it is to apply. You don't have to try to sidestep your glue and reach the 4-foot mark. It's easy to reach. There's less bending over. So the application is simple. The product goes further. It saves you money. So at the end of the day, there's less wasted product. You get more out of each can. The application is easy and fast. Even as a small outfit, I can see the cost savings and efficiency that goes along with using the Tytan Subfloor Adhesive. We averaged about 12 sheets per can. So on this job, we only used 6 cans of this adhesive. We don't have any risk of waste. If I leave the can out overnight, it's not going to go bad. I don't have a paper backing that's going to explode into my caulking gun. You can see how easy it is to apply with the 3-foot wand. So everything about it is well thought out from a company standpoint. It's great product. I've used other Tytan products like the spray foam, and yeah, I like what they got going on. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on some of the following.